Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today to share with you a Graphic 45 haul. I have been in their monthly subscription and it's a great program. I thought I canceled it because I'm having a lot of time issues with tax season and estate and all of that. So just work. And but I am kind of glad they did send it this month, so we'll see if they're going to send it next month. Let me see here. Okay. So that is done. And it is a really nice box of goodies. I really have enjoyed Graphic 45 over the years. And I really deliberate. Sorry, I'm kind of making a lot of noise here. I could have done this before, silly me. But I really deliberate whether or not I want to stay with them or not. And you know, whoops, you know how that goes. So, I love that they send a big bag with every kit, because then I can store my kits together. So, as I share with y'all, I'm going to load everything in this massive, I don't know how many, probably 5 gallon Ziploc bag. It's huge. So, first comes here. Let's see. Let's just get it all situated. So, the first thing you get is this is the Botanical tea version. Oh, I love this paper. And they always send you a great instruction manual for different projects. And so this is one of 9 pages. And just to kind of quickly just flash through, and you guys can see, and they give you that. They give you templates. Yeah, it's Graphic 45. They're good. So, okay. So, as I said, this is the Botanical tea kit. So, I love this one. Oh, I love all the birds. Of course, I love all the flowers and the butterflies. And everybody, I would assume you guys know this kit. This is the 12 by 12 Deluxe Collector's Edition. So, you also get the chipboard, you get the stickers, and you get all the paper. But I think the real jewel in the whole kit is really all their extra encouragements. Though you can go on their website, see lots of great ideas. These are really just the how-tos and the steps and the craft list and everything else. Also, this came with a 5x5 craft mixed media box, and it has magnetic closures. So it's essentially a box, and then you can cover it and create whatever you want on it. So I love these boxes. They're a lot of fun. I think it does come with the cards inside. Includes 6 cardstock photo mats, so that's kind of neat. I'm going to be doing some projects this year, so I think that'll be fun. It also comes with some shabby chic door pulls. I love all their hardware goodies. So that could easily go on the flap, and wouldn't that be cute? And they've also begun a color box Graphic 45 ink die set, so with every kit you get a new die. So anyways, and I love this color. It's kind of like a dusty pink. So pretty. And again, it's Color Box, so it's really a good brand. We all know Color Box. It's been around for a long time. And this is called Antiquing Die Ink. So that sounds interesting. And I haven't had time to play with any of it yet. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is the world's fastest Graphic 45 kit box, Happy Meal video. There's the word I'm looking for. Okay, guys. We're doing okay here, for those of you who've asked. And I thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. I'm going to be really wrapped up the rest of this month, trying to get some things done on the estate. Next week, I'll be working full-blown on that. But I do want to get this up so you guys can see it. And I'll be doing a few more videos today. They're going to be a lot of quick videos. I hope that works for y'all. It really is great for me, and I'm able to get a lot done in a short amount of time. And I'm able to just reach out and say hello to y'all. And I don't want to use up your time. So I think I've done enough of that the last year. So anyways, most importantly, I just thank you guys all for stopping by. I pray that each of you are blessed. You have a creative day, and it's just a beautiful and lovely day as well. I just thank each and every one of you for your encouragement to each other, as well as to me, and just right back at you guys 100 times more. I just so appreciate each and every one of y'all. If you like this kind of video, you like this quick video haul, please give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate feedback. And I'm really praying through the next steps for this channel. I thought I had a real clear, plan as of last February, after my family member passed away. I had some things I'd written out and planned through, and what I'm really trying to figure out right now is what my life is going to look like moving forward. And my life will be very busy with work now, and I definitely want to spend time with y'all, and I want it to be good quality time, and I want to put together good quality videos for y'all. So right now I need to learn some things. I've got some homework to do in light of editing, things like that. And yeah, I just want to kind of do a better job for y'all. I probably won't get to it till maybe in May, and then we are going to take a week off in May and take our youngest to a camp out of state and chaperone and do all that kind of fun stuff. And then I'm thinking in June about going to a crop, but I'll share more about that on my Creative Memories, card making kit that'll be coming up soon. So it'll be an online card making class. So anyways, but there's some other things that are kind of in the works, and really don't have anything beyond the end of June right now. Though my husband's asking me some things for the summer, things that we did with our family members previously, and do we want to continue that on. So anyways, all right guys, that's it. If you're not subscribed, please join us in this group. We would love to have you. If you'd like to say hello, we'd love to say hello back. So, or you can email me privately at JosephinesDesignscom at gmail.com. I will be coming back with a kind of Q&A video soon. The black circles are fading from this tax season, but definitely we're just still trying to finish some things up over the weekend, and just praying we get everything finished. So soon I'll be back with a Q&A, and you guys are welcome to send me questions via my email, and that, if you missed what I just said, it's also in the About section on this channel, and or you can send them via social media. So Instagram's the best place. Private message with me. I'd love to hear what you guys are interested in, what you guys would like me to answer, and I'll do my very, very best. So anyways, all right guys, well, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you guys have a great day. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.